In this video, I'm going to show some examples of ordering integers in ascending or descending order. Remember that ascending means going from least to greatest, and descending means going from greatest to least. Question 1 asks us to which list is ordered from greatest to least, or in descending order. And it looks like every number that we have is a negative number. I'm going to go ahead and plot all of these on a number line, and then we can use that number line to help us arrange them from greatest to least. And because these are all negative numbers, I'm going to put my 0 way over to the right to give me enough room. Let's see, let's make this -10 and this -20 just as some benchmarks. So our list has -7, that'll be somewhere right over here. -10, I'll go ahead and cover that up, -10. -14, somewhere right in here. And then -19 over here somewhere. So when we're arranging numbers from greatest to least, we want the ones that are furthest right first, because those are going to be your greatest ones. So we want to go this direction. We want to say -7, then -10, then -14, then -19. And that looks like that is choice A. Question 2 asks us to find them from least to greatest, which is ascending order. So again, I'm going to draw a number line. And this one, I have some positive and some negatives, so I'm going to put my 0 somewhere in between. I'm going to go ahead and put some benchmarks in here. It looks like my negatives don't go too far, so I'll put a 10 right over here, -10. But my positives go all the way up to maybe 20, so I'll put a +20 there, and that would make +10 right about there. Go ahead and plot all my points. +18 would be somewhere over here. +4, maybe right about there. +8, and then -2. These aren't exactly precise, but for our purposes, all we need to do is get them located to the left or right of each other correctly. So what we're looking for is least to greatest, so we want to go from left to right. So our least one is -2, then 4, then 8, and then 18. That looks like that's choice B. And question 3 says write the numbers in order from greatest to least in descending order. Again, here's a number line. I've got some positives and some negatives, so I'm going to put a 0 right in the middle. Give myself some benchmarks. +20, and let's go to -20. And now I can go ahead and plot my numbers. We have +2, somewhere right over here. We have -16, which is just a little bit to the right of -20. It's closer to 0 than -20. 20 is. We have +20 way over here. And then we have -2, which is on the exact opposite side of 0 that +2 is. We want these from greatest to least, so we want to go this direction from the biggest to the smallest. So we have 20, then 2, then -2, and then -16.